Hello friends, A.S.S Science Foundation welcomes you all. Today we are here on a very special occasion to share one of very important success story of our student Priyanka. She is from Central University of Haryana, which is one of the university in Mahendragarh, and she have finally secured a place in PhD program in Department of Civil Engineering in IIT Hyderabad, which is a great feat from a student from Central University of Haryana. She have also qualified NET-JRF in environmental sciences with us in September. She was preparing hard for the interviews at various IITs, I.S.S and ISC Bangalore and other CSIR labs. She has kept working hard under the guidance of A.S.S Science Foundation team. We prepared her well for the interview part also. Time to time suggestions about the proposals and how to perform in the interview, which is one of the special training given by our team. And finally, she have secured a PhD program final positions in Department of Civil Engineering, IIT Hyderabad. We wish her good luck for the PhD journey and the future research and academic life. Thank you.